Morning, students. Today discuss about cryptography and network security. What is a cryptography? Cryptography nothing about crypt come from as a Greek word. It is call about hidden the secret word. Okay, it is having the cryptography. Cryptography is the practice and study. Okay, study techniques for securing the communication in the presence of the advertise. Okay, it is encompassed to wide range of the technologies and concept from as the simple cipher and complex algorithm. It is fundamental element in securing the digital informations. What is the informations? Today you can see here two person want to discuss the data. Okay, here we'll can call about this person. This person will be a call about allies. Okay, we call about A. This person maybe as the B. This person call about B. He want to send the message to here. Suppose a user need to send the message to B whether the data securely transmitting or not. For the securely transmitting, the introducing the model call about as the model the call model going to call about this person they want transfer data from to him whether able to transmit data because this person not in the only one to one person. Suppose the person he want to transfer the message from here via with live we have transfer from this person. We have to know that whether this particular the channel this is a secure channel or not. Sometimes maybe unsecure channels are the unsecure channel where transmitting the message, some modification be done from as a packet. Okay, we not receive by the original data from as that is the receiver side. They having some drawbacks are available. For the protecting the data, we want to give by the security was introduced the one. Security is introducing for the data. That's called about the CNS, cryptography network security. The what are the cryptography algorithms are available? The cryptography algorithm, three types of cryptography available. One is security attacks available, security mechanism, then security services are available. First having security attack mean when having this data will be a transfer from as one computer to another computer. It having that is a two data will be available. One having that is a active attacks are available, another one is a passive attacks are available. When I go for as the active attack, okay, we can, passive attacks are they whether the data be altered or not we don't know. That is available like from the spyware spy in the computer they could not possible to identify. When applied by the active attacks are there, he can able to modify data from one place to another place. During by timestamp, he can able to identify whether it is the data is modified, whether whether the receiver side he can able to accept the data or not. The cryptography mechanism it is having the building blocks of securing the communication. They providing the method called about confidentiality, integrity, authentications are there. Confidentiality means securing the data. Okay, securing data. We'll see one by one. Okay, while having the data remain the securing the secure during by transmission and storage. The confidentiality ensure that only the authentication by individual can access by sensitive information. Like from as the only that two person only know about data. Okay, call about the confidentiality. When you go for the integrities are there, the guarantee that data is when I receive from this one place to another place, data is unchanged one. Unchanged one. There is been having that there is no alter the content. We receive data. We receive by unaltered content only receive the data from the sender to the receiver side. And also authentications are there. The verification of the identity of the party involve the communication ensuring that who have claimed to be that having authentications are there. Suppose someone lost that some wallets are there. What is the code to identification place? They have to ask whether you having your wallet or not. So you have to show your ID card whether they available in the wallet. So you can able to identify whether it be wallets are there. You can bring the duplicate ID card. If you have already available in the wallet, you can able to proof it. Once proof it, The authentication basically ensures that otherwise you have to provide in the how much amount, what is the serial numbers available on the particular the node, you can able to give the authentication be given. Next one is a non-repetitions are available. It is having it is a preventing by center. Suppose someone have to be sending by threatening message to the some person. They want to go to the police station. They want to get the complaint about him. Then when I want to call him to be make inquiry, the particular person was denied. This called about the non-repetitions. Non-repetitions preventing the sender and from the denying they send the message or receiver receive from message denying the received it. Which suppose someone saying that they say they given the suppose some notice are given. Suppose some notice are given, someone has received notice. They got by the notice issued by some person. The particular person was saying, "I not received by notice." So we can know that the simple thing as the post office is there. The register post is there. Register post. When I say by register post, no register post, once the particular the post delivered to the person, they give the acknowledgement will be given the acknowledgement. Once the particular the register post you can send by the send to the respective person. Respective person need to be signed that are given by proof copy further. Further, you should not possibly deny the data also. Okay. Then the cryptography algorithm having there's a two type of methods available. One having the symmetric key cryptography algorithms are available, and another called about the asymmetric key cryptography algorithms are available. The symmetric key cryptography algorithm used by the same key on by both encryption and decryption. The method efficiently used from a wide variety of the application, but required by the secure key and distributing management are there. The famous algorithm compromises the AES and DES will be there. The first introduced by the DES, okay, it is having the symmetric key encryption algorithm. It was widely as the used, but considering by the insecure due to by advance of the computing power. After that, I have to change from as the DES to AES, little bit having a higher level of security performance provided. After that, they compared to this one somewhat better than they want to provide it. They brought by them triple DS want to provide it. For DES, the use from as the 56 bits of the key value want to be applied. When I apply by and also 16 round of operation want to perform. When I apply by the AES, the depending upon the algorithm size, totally having the 120 bit of the key size be given. Two part of the process will be taken place. One is the encryption process, another one having is the key generation process is there. Key generation process. Depending upon the AES model 128, totally having the 10 rounds as process be happen from the particular one particular plain text to ciphertext, and also having the several number of one particular the round we had to perform from the four operations want to perform. Subbytes shifting the row, mixing column, and round key want to perform. This operation is repeating by the 10 time further. Triple D is little bit having to be a comparison power is be more 16 times the process is repeating, but triple D is one same input they having three times the encryption was proper. Then the encryption was be a process totally having the 56, 56, 56. 356 values are given now. So totally having there is a that many key value one generated. It's called about the triple DES. When I compromise the triple DES, when I compromise asymmetric cryptography algorithm is quite opposite for that. Okay, it having the center A. Suppose we have in the A user and B users available. Here I mean there is here I mean there is a B user. Okay. When we want to transmit the data from as the one side to another side, we have there is a mechanisms are available called about the encryption mechanism. Here we call about decryption mechanisms are available. Decryption mechanisms are available. Here I mean there is a two pair of keys available from here. Two pair of keys available. Here I mean there is nothing about it. Due to by communication, we send the data through by ciphertext want to send it. Here we call about the private keys available. PRA is available, and there is a PUA is available. The PRA nothing about is the private value of that is the user side A, and the PRB nothing about is the private side of that is the B user side. The having the public key value of this B user also available. This two key will be shared between two user. While sending the data will be encrypted through by the private key. While receiving time, what data ciphertext are received that have to be as a decrypting by using by the private key of the B user side. Then the when the once receive the data now, so receiver want to be given the reply back. Like from as the one to one communication, If you hi, hello, how are you? The based on the hi, can able to deploy to you. This is a asymmetric cryptography algorithm. It is used by the two separate keys are used by encryption and decryption. It is also called about the public cryptography algorithm. One of the key public can be shared between the anyone. Other private key keep it by secret one. The call about the PRA called about the secret one, and PUA and PUB came with publicly announced. The famous algorithm comes from as the RSA algorithm. It is a widely used from as the public cryptography algorithm, the strong and secure widespread of the implementation. Further, I have to introduce by the ECC method being introduced at one public cryptography algorithm. It is elliptic curve to perform by the cryptography operation offered by the high security with the stronger keys. Compared with the RSA, that ECC method is the best, but somewhat is a complicated process for that. Further, I have to be as a cryptography having the hash functions are introducing here. The hash function we have to produce that whether the data will be received from as one end to another end, whether we want to ensure that data will be received from as authorized person or not. For that, we have to apply by the input length. I mean, there is a two method will be available on the hash function. Before having the hash function, having the MAC code is available. MAC code. When I give you the any number of the messages, you can give the output as a variable at the output order producing on the MAC message authentication code. When you come from as a hash function, what are the message will become there? The fixed length output want to produce. This call about is the hash values are there. The hash algorithm having the several kind of type algorithms available, SHA1, SH2, and having the SHA 160 bit, and also having SAR 256, SAR 384, 386, SAR 512 will be available. That's call about is the fixed length output you can producing. The call about the hash value, sometimes call about digest also. The hash function are widely used from the digital signature and the password verification data integrity checks. If having it is the one way available, is having it is a computationally as inflexible to find by input producing by the produce given by hash value, and second one is the deterministic. The same input will be always produced by the same hash function want to produce. The collision resistance will be available. The extremely difficult to find the input and to produce the same key value for that. I think the hash value the used from a server end they have to check. The cryptography attack and vulnerabilities are available. Okay, because we're using by the so many network based growing there. A lot of persons are there, lot of intermediate invisible networks are available, dark nets are available. We don't know that whether all the particular point is secure or not. For that, you have to check that whether there is a cryptography attack vulnerabilities are available. They have been constantly under with having this attack. Having the malicious attack will be there. Attack again and exploit by the weaknesses and the cryptography algorithm implementing by the error compromising secure data. The first data applied by the some attacks that happen where loopholes are available. If you identify loopholes, we try to block that loophole for that. Okay, how there is a brute force attacks are there. They are trying by the possible way until to be correct by one found. Man in middle attacks are available. It is available intercepted by communication between by two parties, potentially by alter and stealing the data further. And side chain attacks are there, exploring by physical information by leakages, such as having the timing of the power consuming and having the uncover sensitive information for this having the one cryptography service and applications are available. This having there is a cryptography service and application secured by the very aspects of your digital lives, securing the communication to this the data protection. Secure communication providing by the SSL, a secure circuit layer and transport layer security is available, encrypting the communication between the web browser and web server. Second one covering is the data storage provider. The cryptography solution are used to encrypting the data stored in the hard drive, cloud storage services, and other services also. Digital signature provided that digital signatures, cryptography, and hash function, and the digital signature ensure that the authenticity and also integrity and the digital document for that. That conclusion to having it is a cryptography as the essential technology, then having it is a unpin, having it is the security of the digital world, understanding that is a principle and application, the critical and safeguarding of data, ensuring the secure communication. The key management for that, securing the storing and managing the cryptography keys in the permanent, maintaining the integrity and the cryptography system. And security awareness, being aware about potential threats and vulnerability in essential and implementing by robust security measures. Staying the